Welcome to today's explainer. If you've been feeling lately like your smartphone is literally possessed by some unseen, highly irritating force, well, you are exactly in the right place. Today, we're basically going to act as your digital exorcists. We're diving deep into how you can finally take back total control of your phone from those super annoying hidden viruses. Let's just get right into it.
Let me ask you this directly. Are you getting random video ads just popping up on your screen out of nowhere? Like even when you're just sitting perfectly still, staring at your home screen? It is incredibly frustrating, right? You haven't even opened an app, and suddenly, bam, you're forced to watch an ad. It feels completely invasive.
Okay, let's dive into this, because the most important thing you need to know right off the bat is that your phone is not fundamentally broken. Actually, scratch that. It's just infected with hidden adware. The surprising truth here is that your device is actually functioning normally. It's just following the bad instructions it's been secretly given. But don't worry, today I'm going to show you exactly how to find this hidden adware and permanently delete it, and we'll do it in just a couple of minutes. Here's our action-oriented checklist for this explainer. We're looking at 1. The adware problem. 2. The invisible ghost app. 3. The secret ad blocker. 4. Fake Chrome alerts. 5. Display permissions. And 6. Getting you that ad-free phone. Simple as that. All right, Section 1, the adware problem. So, these malicious little applications, they're usually accidentally downloaded from the internet. People don't do this on purpose. But what makes them so incredibly sneaky is that these apps are designed with absolutely no name and no icon. Crazy, right? That means you'll never actually see them just sitting there among your regular normal apps. Instead, they silently run in the background like a parasite, farming ad revenue for some sketchy developers, totally draining your battery life, and silently stealing your personal data. It's a severe problem, so let's destroy them right now.
Moving on to Section 2, the invisible ghost app.
Now, what's really interesting about this is this massive number right here, 90%. Finding and removing this single sneaky ghost app actually fixes 90% of all the pop-up ad problems you might be dealing with. Think about that. Just one single culprit is often responsible for almost all of that daily frustration. So let's go track it down. Okay, I want you to follow these exact steps. First, open your phone and go to Settings. Then tap on Apps and hit App Management so you can see your whole list of installed applications. Next, and pay attention because this is absolutely crucial, turn on dark mode on your phone. This is our secret little trick for exposing the ghost. Finally, you're going to want to carefully scroll all the way to the very top or all the way to the very bottom of that app list. See, because you turned on dark mode, the background is pitch black now, and that allows you to easily spot the culprit. An app just sitting there with a blank, solid white icon and absolutely no name next to it. It's literally a ghost. If you spot it, tap on it immediately and confidently hit uninstall. Trashing this invisible app is going to bring immediate, amazing relief to your device.
All right, Section 3, the secret ad blocker.
And this brilliantly illustrates the concept of a private DNS. Think of it like a magical built-in shield that actually already exists right there on your device. When it's configured correctly, it actively blocks thousands of known ad servers from ever reaching your phone in the first place. The ads just fail to load entirely. Let's turn the shield on.
The setup for this is remarkably straightforward. First, just go back into your main settings menu and tap on Connections. From there, tap on More Connections Settings. Inside that menu, you'll see an option labeled Private DNS. Go ahead and tap right on that. Once you're inside the Private DNS menu, select the option that says Private DNS Provider Hostname. A little text box is going to pop up. Now you need to type in exactly this, dns.adguard.com. That's dns.adguard.com. Once you've got that typed in, just hit save. Boom, your shield is officially active.
Moving on to Section 4, Fake Chrome alerts.
Now, have you ever gotten one of those loud, scary notifications saying something like, your phone has a virus, or maybe you won a prize? Yeah, we all have. Well, it is so crucial to understand the difference between real and fake here. These are not real system alerts. Your phone isn't actually alerting you to a genuine threat. Nope, these are just fake ads being aggressively pushed directly through your Google Chrome browser, basically just trying to scare you into clicking them. So to clean up your notification panel and make it a safe place again, here's the simple process. Step 1. Open your Google Chrome browser and tap the 3 little dots up in the corner to open your settings. Step 2, scroll down to Site Settings and then tap on Notifications. Now, Step 3, you actually have a choice here. You could either turn the main switch completely off, which stops all browser notifications, or you can manually go through the list and just block any specific weird websites that you don't recognize. Either way, problem solved.
Okay, Section 5. Display permissions.
So, the crucial point here is understanding exactly why we're changing this specific setting. Deep within your phone, there's a permission called Display over Other Apps. By revoking this specific permission, you completely cut off the power supply that hidden malware actually relies on. Without this permission checked, there's literally no way a malicious app can force a pop-up to take over your screen while you're, busy doing important work or just trying to send a text.
And here's how you cut that power off for good. Go into your settings, tap on Apps, and look for an option called Special App Access. Inside there, tap on Display over Other Apps, though just a quick heads up, on some phones this might be called Appear on Top. This is going to bring up a list of all the apps that have this super powerful permission. I want you to look through this list really carefully. If you see any suspicious apps or games in there that you don't recognize, firmly turn their toggle switch to the off position. Revoke that hijacking privilege right now.
And finally, Section 6, Ad-Free Phone.
Listen, if you followed along with all these steps today, congratulations! By finding that ghost app, setting up your private DNS, stopping those fake Chrome alerts, and revoking screen permissions, you have successfully restored your device back to a perfectly clean, fast, and completely ad-free state. But before we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with one final question to chew on. When you switched your phone to dark mode and scrolled through that massive list, did you find that hidden, invisible ghost app lurking in your settings? Because if this guide helped you restore your phone back to normal, definitely share this explainer with your family and friends so they can save their phones too. Thanks so much for learning with me today, and hey, stay safe out there.